Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead from Algonquin Park, and it is time to roast weenies and make Algonquin Park s'mores. I'm sorry, we don't eat hot dogs that often. Used to be only when Leona came up, or Nan, and because we just don't eat them, right? But we're glamping, which means we have to do the traditional camping things. So we have hot dogs. And, oh no, Mrs. Wolfie! Yes, I bought store-bought mustard relish and ketchup. Now, Algonquin Park s'mores? I forgot the graham crackers. They're in the coach. Papa will get them. We're gonna make our s'mores. See, I've never had a s'more, okay? I've never had a s'more. So I'm gonna try it, of course, right? We're camping. But I thought, let's take it up a notch. Anyway, that's for after lunch. Oh, and the sun sweet tea we made yesterday was so good. We're making another jug today, and it's almost ready. Okay. Look at these babies. Aren't they beautiful? I'm not going to put the hot dogs on until Papa comes back, because then I got to tell him where to put them. I mean, you know, over the fire. See you in a bit. John, I just phoned my brother John. This is going to come late, folks, but happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Now look, this is glamping, you see? This isn't a stick. It's a fork. And we're going to put the wieners on these so that Daddy can put them on the fire. You know what? I'm going to try this two ways, folks. I'm going to put two wieners on this one this way. And we'll let Daddy be the judge. Okay, wait. Here, dear. That way. Hold that. Don't put it on the fire yet, because we're going to do a test here. Please don't slip and go through my fingers. Oh, through my... And then that way. Oh, shh. Well, why would you even bother? They're sitting there so comfortably.
Yeah, you gotta roast both sides.
Well, yeah. Hey, look at you guys. Thinking that some of that's for you. Well, there are. Gracie says there are 4 of us. There's 4 hot dogs. I don't know.
I need... Hey, shut up.
Show off.
Goofball.
They are really actually behaving really well. A lot better than...
They do at home.
Yeah, a lot better than they do at home. You know, we're teaching them about neighbor sounds and stuff. Oh, you got a snoot full of smoke there, Gracie. Oh. Which ones look more cooked? So let's eat those first. Oh, we're gonna go to hell. Hot dogs and white buns. Homestead hell. And store-bought condiments. But I'll make relish this year. What?
It's got a little valve.
It's got a valve? Oh my goodness. Same with the mustard? Not too much mustard. Happy Father's Day. Homestead hell, man. Okay, you're going to have to go with this. Algonquin Park s'mores. Okay, graham cracker. Now that's supposed to be a Reese's. Say it, please. It's supposed to be a Reese's peanut butter cup, but they kind of melted. So they're sort of pre-melted. And so you're going to need 1 or 1.5 each and 2 marshmallows each, which Papa will now toast. Now, I like mine almost flaming, and you got to toast them lightly on one side and then on the other side, and then bring them over here real quick. And there. Oh, you're seeing history here, people. And one there. Whoops. Don't tilt the fork, stop eating your hot dog. Help me. Give me the hot dog. Help me. Cheese and crackers. Okay, help me here.
Graham crackers.
Cheese and graham crackers.
Not all coming.
Okay, why didn't people tell us these were really messy?
You should have known.
We're only getting eating one of these. What was that? You don't like burnt marshmallow?
No.
Then why didn't you give me that one? I love burnt marshmallow.
You gave it to me.
Is that delicious, eh?
Yeah.
All right. Algonquin Park s'mores. If somebody else has already done this, too bad. I thought of it anyway. Take care, God bless.